25, Game of Thrones, The Great Houses, 4-box pick. Your parallel slash house number 11, which means we have a fresh case. We're going to do the blue shuffle. Someone really has it out for you? Yeah, if the same person did the stealing my Pokemon and stealing my car, if it's the same person, I'd rather they just kill me. Just kill me, man. This one's speaking to me. That one gave me a funny look. Oh, this one gave me a really funny look. And we'll go with that one because that one's giving me the stink eye. And that's our 4 boxes. Everything else gonna go back in a random order. Oh, we got our case. Whoa, they're metal? That's a good, that's a cool case topper. Metal. I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's really cool. There we go. Let's see. Oh, these have the silly tape on them, I remember. Do we have any cool numbers on these? 607. Some biting the counter. Durango's over here saying, Bite! Bite the corner! Bite the curb! You have them bite the curb and you do a curb stomp, just like you're playing Gears of War. Funny enough, I have a brand new, well, I guess I don't have it since somebody stole the damn car, but I put a brand new catalytic converter on that Mazda because like a year and a half ago while I was driving, it just kind of fell. The joint between the catalytic converter and the exhaust pipe, I guess was there a little bit too much rust on it. And it gave out and just fell while I was in the middle of driving on the freeway. So one of my buddies called me. He's like, hey, man. And I was like, yeah, what's going on? Suddenly, they got super loud because the exhaust was coming straight out of the catalytic converter instead of going through the exhaust pipe. So it got really loud. And there's sparks flying everywhere. Oh, God. I remember my buddy and I went to an AutoZone just to grab pieces and heat resistant tape and stuff just to get it taped up. We did the most shoddiest tape job ever to keep that exhaust pipe from falling and scraping on the highway again. And my dumbass really did not want to not have a car for the next couple days. So I drove around, I think for 3 or 4 days before taking it into a shop to fix it. Well, I was just driving it around with it straight up having a... Like, I had to wear my AirPods or I had to wear some form of, like, ear protection when driving because of how loud it was in that car when driving like that. Oh, Lord, come on. Have the others been saving these packs? I don't see them anywhere. Oh, yeah, yes, they have. I see them. So I have to open these with a little bit more care for the actual packs. It is a story of Space Jesus. Damn, what was it, Rittenhouse? No. What's the company called that makes us have to keep these damn wrappers? I have to find. Takes so much time to save all these. Hope they make all of... I think they planned that they are making all of the books into films. Most overrated? Is he talked about all that often? I feel like I don't ever hear anyone talking about Chalamet. I mean, he was Willy Wonka. That movie was something. Him as Willy Wonka, all I could say was something. It was not what I was expecting out of that movie. Like, I never watched the Dune show. I was meaning to watch that one. New rap song? Is that a joke? It just came out today. Huh? We're talking about Chalamet? Yeah, there's one thing that Athletic and Anakin Skywalker share in common. They both hate sand. It's coarse, it's rough, and it gets everywhere. Oh, then I guess it's just me that hates sand because it's coarse and it's rough and it gets everywhere. It's not even just the packs, it's the fact that we save the packs. And I'm not even putting the packs away right now because I'm just going to do that later. It had like a job. What about the Baron? What about 8 hours to put on the makeup Stellan Skarsgård? I can't believe Swish said that the Batman packs are terrible to open. He's crazy for that. He tripping on that one, man. You're telling me he would rather open these packs than the Batman ones that open like silk? Nope. You crazy, Swish. I don't know if you're listening right now. You crazy. He said Mad Max is dirt. I don't think we have any more X-Men. How you doing, KDX? Surprised I haven't heard, I don't know if Dillman's actually still in. I feel like if he was still in, I would have heard him. Absolutely hated it? I can't believe you hated Goodfellas. I feel that's right up your... I mean, you're saying it's one of your favorite crime movies now, but I'm saying I can't believe there was a point in time where you hated it. I don't remember how old I was when I watched it. I saw it in film school. So anywhere between 17 and 21. 21 is when I saw Goodfellas. I just want to put these like in a garbage, like a trash bag, and then just write a number on how many packs are in there. These packs are, oh man. Last stack. We're almost there. Almost there. We did it. We did it. Good luck, folks. Let's see some cool autos. And then, no base. Am I remembering that right? No base and inserts. Okay. Here we go. There's Mira Reed. She was there for the cause. She was there part of the cause. Where are we putting this? Free folk? Free folk? Golfer? Oh man, now this is gonna be a real test of how much I remember, even though I just watched it this year. Lannister. So this is a base insert. Brianna Toth. No base except the Arantone Mormon spot. Oh dear lord. You gotta do the Tywin Lannister laugh. Oh, I hated him, man. I hated him. How's Aaron? Night's Watch. The Free Folk. There's Mance. Still no base. That spot has autos. Well, which ones am I supposed to make sure I take out of most of the paper then? King's God. Doug Dimmadome. So far, I haven't skipped anything I wasn't supposed to, right? These damn cards, man. Come on. Does this have a crack in it? Oh, I'm getting irritated with these ones. There we go. Said 0 base. Well, we'll see if we can figure that out. I thought we had some ink there. Oh! Oh! This card contains an authentic piece of Jon Snow's overcoat. That is sick. Night's Watch. Music. Muzak. Oh, there's like a little bit of almost like a carpet there. But I will never betray Renly by word or deed. He was the king they should have been. And then he wasn't. The Dothraki. Goodness, Benny been doing the grinding. Benny been doing that rise and grind. So is this a base? I see foil on it, but I'm gonna assume it's still counted as a base. The Murderous Sand. So, everyone would say he wouldn't be a good king, and then he became king. Benjen was a real one. Oh, shoot. So I believe Athletic's favorite character, right? It's a piece of Shay's dress. That is a piece of Shay's dress with the auto on it. Signed by Isabel Kakili. Piece of Shay's dress. Who's that going to? Is she gonna be Lannister? Or is she King's Landing? Is that golfer? Reading what I'm looking at, I'm going to guess that is King's Landing for golfer. She does go. She goes to Lannister. So who's got that? Baba Soon. Bobby Soon said Goose Night Watch. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Did. Stock. Marjorie. Is that Marjorie a base card? Yes. Drogo. Rob was thinking with the wrong appendage. Sansa. Mago. Mace was spineless. Athletic is scared of that character. Her last name is Sand. Oh Lord, he said make it its own spot. Nope, we got a duel. We got a duel. Who's got the Dothraki? Balsoon want the duel. Robbie Ali and Fola Evans Akingbola. Moro's wife and Moro's wife. We got Moro's wives. The series that was the first satisfying goodbye in the show. Now we got Captain Harry Strickland of the Golden Company. Wasn't he? He was in one episode, right? He got one episode when he got hired, and then when they attacked. Signed by Mark Rissman. Where do you even go as a Golden Company hired by from the bank? From the bank. Said to 5 red ink. I see the red ink. They don't have the actual serial on the card? Oh, it was a joke. Damn. Now I look silly. Now I look silly. Make sure your windows are closed. I liked Renly's crown. Now we got Gilly. We got Gilly. Named her son Sam. Free folk? Is that free folk? And there is Brianna Tarth of Toth. I leave for 2 weeks. Y'all wildin' in the chat. Goodness me. I leave for 2 weeks. House Stock. The Wolves. Goodness me. Robin Aaron, man. Robin Aaron. Now we got Diogo Sales. Dothraki. Baratheon, or yeah, Stannis was an interesting character. I didn't like him, but he was interesting. He was interesting. Oh my god, you said after Sam. I'm going back to the cards. I'm looking away from the chat. I'm looking away. I'm going back to these cards. Dothraki, Tyrell, Talisa. Oh, Talisa. If you just not helped with the medical squad there. If you just weren't there on that time on that day, man. I just remember when that scene when Rob saw who would have been his forced wedded wife. And then it just cuts to him being like, oh. There we go. Let's say Yar's a real one. Shame. 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 Is that King's Landing? Is that where that's going? Oh man, this guy. I wanted to see. Yeah. There's a couple characters. If they were on screen, I kind of wanted, like, that's when I wanted to go do a bathroom break. You know what I'm saying? Melissa Talley. Got all the gooning going on, chat. A bar of sand. Athletic, look away. There might be some sand in the dress. It's part of her surcoat. Out from Essos. Although, that wouldn't go to Essos, would it? Would that go to... Who was that going to? Who was that going to? Battle wanting... you gotta get in on this so you can do your scratch and sniff endeavors battle. I'm not partaking in any scratching and sniffing on these. I'm good. Put my hand up, I say I'm okay. I'm good. So Martel, I would guess Martel. But I don't know if we'll go to Essos or Martel. First time seeing Egret. See some more ink. Come on. Come on! Oh, another Jon Snow. Another piece of the overcoat. That looks like it would be a piece of the... I don't want to say shirt, like the coat under the coat. You know what I'm saying? Piece of Jon Snow's overcoat. Okay, never mind. It's another piece of the overcoat. I'm pretty sure... Oh, no, that's a cloak. So, yeah. No, it is the overcoat. It is the overcoat. Ignore me. Ignore me. Get Cersei the hell out of my face, man. Get her out of here. I don't want to see her. We should have a little pile right here. That's called, like, kindling to start a fire, and then we'll just put all the Cersei cards there. I vote for this. All in favor, say aye. Oh, shoot! Damn! Damn! That's awesome, man. Arya Stark. Music. That's a sick one, man. Macy Williams. Very, very cool. Benjen, he's a real one, man. Benjen's a real one. He's the uncle. You want him as your uncle. The Jon Snow base card. He's kind of voguing in that that picture a little. There's Mark Rissman again as the captain of the Golden Army. That damn bank. I forgot about Rickon, I'm not gonna lie. The Dothraki. There's Talisa. I was saying earlier. By the end of all things, man. That was a wrong place, wrong time. Talisa Mager. It's part of the battlefield dress when she's running around as the battlefield medic. Medic! Huh! Every time I see, honestly, every single time I see Tyrion, every single time, I want a glass of wine. Because Hina and I drank so much wine while watching Game of Thrones. We, like, every time we sat down we were watching Game of Thrones, we'd kill a bottle of wine. Sometimes 2 if we were doing a longer watch session. That's an insert, right? We're keeping that one. That one stays out. That one's special. Lucy Hayes. That says Kitty Frey. Or is it Kitty Fry? House Fry? House Frey? It was Frey, wasn't it? I always want to say Fry because of Casey Fry, the content creator. Said big one. So these are, I'm glad I noticed that it looked slightly different than the others. JCPGH, Garden of Bones. Which episode was this? 17 out, wow, 15 out of 75. Season 2, episode 4. What episode was this? Somebody help me out. Garden of Bones. What happened in that episode? I forgot he was in the show. Got 2 handfuls left. Sansa. So these are base cards? Even though they got foil on them? It's when Dany was wandering a desert with her Dothraki and found the city. Oh. Before she meets the dude who's just lying about his wealth, right? It's where the Spice Master is. Or Spice... No, it wasn't Spice Master. Was it Spice King? The Spice... Okay, cool. That actor, man. Oh my god! Was not expecting that, or I was not ready for a Kit Harington, man. Piece of Jon Snow's robe. Damn. Damn. That's all I got to say to that. Damn. That's sick. Well, before, I'm just happy seeing these two. You know what I mean? Getting ink from specifically these two like that. That's cool. That's cool. Gosh, freaking Ned Stark, man. Such a badass character. And that is the end. I'm going to do some sleeve encasing on these final cards here, and then we will hit that recap. He's passed out. Somebody wake him. All right, here comes the recap, starting with the patches. What's the thing where there's the cat name Patches? That's a short print, right, with the quote on it? Garden Bones on the episode poster. We got some ink. Lucy Hayes, Mark Risman, Diogo Salas, Rubiali, and Fola Evans Akingbola on the duo. Then we got another appearance of Captain Harry Strickland. There we got Sibel Kakili as the what do you got? What were you guys saying earlier? Woman of the Night. You guys have all kinds of names for her. Macy Williams, Arya, and Kit Harington as Jon Snow. He knows nothing. That was a nice little refresher, man. It's like, it's still freaky to me to think that I watched the entirety of it last, what was it? Was it this year or was that last year, man? I don't remember. That was 2025 Game of Thrones, Great Houses. 4-box pick your house / parallel number 11. Thank you.